in a box. Over there. Hey. Oh, here we go. Box of screws.
Directions in this box?
I haven't seen them yet. I'm just going to try four bolts. Another sides and legs. And the box. What's in there? I bet the directions are in this box, which was the... Oh look, it's the... I think it's the side tables. There they are. And another box. So now we have a bag full of styrofoam, parts everywhere, and a pile of boxes, and a table full of stuff too. Directions. So we went through, checked everything off, make sure we had everything. Before we get too far along, make sure we're not missing anything important. Everything's laid out. We're ready to start, I guess. First, we're going to attach the legs. It takes 10 M6 by 12 screws. These are legs are all tight. Now what? 2 M6 by 12 screws to attach one door magnet bracket to the logo panel. So we thought we were missing something. The magnet was not in this one, it just had the metal pieces. But after looking, both magnets are stuck to this one. Someone tried to pull it out and put it in that one. Okay, take them all out. So 2 magnets. Stick that back together. Hopefully you can get back down in there. Yeah. Back in there. See if I can just hold those apart and pop it in there. All the magnets are back. Now, attach the fixed magnet strip to the logo panel. It goes like that. Okay, that's done. Part base and 4 screws. Actually, I'll hold it. Next is the casters. It says to lock them, so I'm guessing that should be enough to tighten by hand. That's one. Put the rest of them on. cardboard here?
Yeah. This is stuff.
Right back. Okay. Starting with our grill now.
Yeah, it is.
Now we're going to attach the side panels and back panel. 6 for each side panel, and then it says 4 for the back panel. One panel down. Back panel and 4 screws. Hello. We're inside the grill. Now we got the bottom magnet, 2 more screws. Well, first putting the handles on each side, middle bar with the holes in the back, right?
Mm-hmm.
There we go, that side. It's almost got to scrape the plastic off to get it in there. There we go. And then that attaches to the door. With the same screws we used for everything else. One to go. Hole in the back. It's 2 doors.
Mm-hmm.
2 doors down,
Not three.
not 3. How's that supposed to go? I think I know why. Because you're upside down.
Oh, okay. I'll try this way.
Because it doesn't reach. And it doesn't fit. Oh, I know. Look. It goes this way. So it clips on the back. On the side. Push it down. And then this little thing goes down there. Now we clip the doors in.
Yeah, clip the doors in.
The doors just have a little
Obviously in the top.
pushy pin. Bottom's solid. Bottom fits in there. And the top, just probably do like one of these. There.
Yep. Ha!
There.
Did you get it?
I think so. These little things were just loose in the box, almost lost them. But it's the rubber supports for the top.
Just like that.
It's kind of difficult to get back in there, but it's back in there. That one. Trash bag holder. 2 brackets, 4 screws, and
Here's a wire bracket you
Wire
pop in
bracket.
there. Yeah.
so these are the trash bag holder. Yeah, this sits on the outside.
Oh, the bracket does?
Yeah. Okay, now what? These things are next. Little rubber bump thing and the Z. Call it a zebra. Paper towel holder with 2 screws. Pull up. Awesome.
Oh, cool.
We got the side shelf bracket. Right, left, 4 screws. These are the side shelf pegs. 3 of these, 3 wing nuts, 3 of each washer. Them just got holes, and 3 of them have slotted fits in there. And then washer on the side there. Shoulder bolts go in these holes. They sit on there, right? Yeah. Side table has to attach to that?
Yeah, the side table comes off right here.
It goes on that first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's the right side shelf, and then the extension table. Got a little peg there and a hole here. Goes in there, and then this side bolts in with a M6 by 19 shoulder bolt. Table stopping bracket and 4 M6 by 10 bolts. This is the table stopping bracket. It goes right
4 and
here.
6.
Use 4 M6 by 10 screws. It says use 4 M6 by 10 screws, but there's only 2 holes. Okay. M6 by 12 loosely on the top. That's all. Knobs on. The grease trap goes.
Right here.
And then next we got now we close it and set it up on there, right? You gotta come this way. So slide it back. battery.